This is Brent with KansasHydrographics.com. We're back with Pattern of the Week. We took this print to Ohio last week, and a lot of people thought it was a very cool print. It is a black, silver, and gold carbon fiber. It doesn't really look like a carbon fiber. It is 1 meter wide, and we are calling it a full color film. It's mostly silver and gold metallic colors, but there is black in there. It's very hard to see on the screen here, and even taking pictures of this is difficult. So we actually dip a piece of sheet metal and then take a picture of the sheet metal for these metallic prints so you guys can see them on the website. We are using the Kansas Hydrographics exclusive Hydrogator activator. Everything's the same, 60-second soak time, 90-degree tank, 1.8 air Gunza gun, 8 way too high air pressure. We do 18, 17, 20, somewhere in there. We are dipping to black. I just got that all wet. Let's see how this turns out. We should be okay. Alright. That is black, silver, and gold carbon fiber. It's more of a bar design, but it is a very neat print. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next week.